Master all uses of being, functional English grammar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Tips, the channel where you learn English in a simple, practical, and effective way. Today's lesson is one of the most important grammar lessons for English learners. We are going to master the word being. Many learners know the verb be, but when they see being, they become confused. Should I say, I am being? Being late? Thank you for being. He is being. After being. Don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll understand every common use of being with clear explanations, everyday examples, and practice exercises. Let's begin. What does being mean? Being is the ing form of the verb be. Be right arrow being the verb be means. Exist, have a state, describe someone or something. Examples. I am happy. She is a teacher. They are busy. When we change be into being, it has several different grammar functions. Today we'll learn all of them. Use 1. Being in continuous tenses structure subject plus // is slash or plus being plus adjective / noun. This talks about temporary behavior, not permanent personality. Example, John is kind. This is his personality. John is being kind. He is acting kindly right now. Notice the difference. Example 1, she is quiet. She is being quiet. The first describes her personality. The second means she is quiet at this moment. Example 2, the children are being noisy. Meaning, right now they are making lots of noise. Example 3, my brother is being helpful today. Usually he isn't this helpful. Today he is helping everyone. Example 4, stop being rude. Meaning, stop acting rudely. Example 5, why are you being so serious? Meaning, why are you acting serious now? More examples, he is being lazy. They are being careful. The dog is being friendly. The students are being respectful. Common mistake, wrong, she is being beautiful. Correct, she is beautiful. Why? Beauty is normally permanent. We don't use being for permanent qualities. Correct use. She is being polite. Politeness here is temporary behavior. Use 2. Being after prepositions. This is one of the most common uses. After prepositions, we often use being. Examples of prepositions: about, for, without, after, before, instead of, because of, by, despite. Example, thank you for being honest. Example, he left without being seen. Meaning, nobody saw him. Example, she apologized for being late. Example, I was punished for being careless. Example, they succeeded by being patient. Example, after being promoted, he bought a new car. Example, she became famous because of being talented. Practice, complete the sentence. Thank you for kind. Answer, being complete. He was punished for rude. Answer, being. Use 3. Being at the beginning of a sentence. Being can introduce the reason for something. Structure, being plus adjective. Example, being tired. I went to bed early. Meaning, because I was tired. Example, being hungry. We ordered pizza. Example, being sick. She stayed home. Example, being young. He learns quickly. Example, being honest. She admitted her mistake. Notice being here means because someone is. Compare, because I was tired, I slept. Being tired, I slept. Same meaning. Use 4, passive form structure, being plus past participle. This is very important. Examples, the house is being built, meaning construction is happening now. The road is being repaired. The food is being cooked. The car is being washed. The report is being written. More examples, the classroom is being cleaned. The bridge is being painted. The computer is being repaired. The project is being completed. Notice is being repaired means someone is repairing it now. Use 5, after enjoy, like, love, hate. Some verbs are followed by being. Examples, I enjoy being with my family. She likes being alone. They love being together. He hates being interrupted. I enjoy being a teacher. Practice, I love outside. Answer, being. Use 6. Being with adjectives. Examples, being patient is important. Being polite makes a good impression. Being kind costs nothing. Being confident helps you speak English. Being organized saves time. Notice here, being works like a noun phrase. It becomes the subject of the sentence. Use 7. Human being. Being can also be a noun. Example, every human being deserves respect. Meaning every person deserves respect. Examples, human beings need food. Every living being needs water. She is a wonderful human being. Use 8. Being in formal writing examples, being the oldest child, she helped her parents. Being an engineer, he solved the problem quickly. Being fluent in English opens many opportunities. Being careful can prevent accidents. These are common in books, articles, and formal speaking. Use 9. Being after worth examples, the movie is worth being watched. The project is worth being completed. The idea is worth being discussed. Although native speakers often say, the movie is worth watching, the project is worth completing. Both exist, but worth plus gerund is much more common. Use 10. Everyday expressions. Thank you for being here. Stop being lazy. He's being funny. She's being dramatic. I'm being honest. You're being unfair. Don't be afraid of being wrong. Being on time is important. Being positive changes everything. Mini conversation. Anna, why are you being quiet today? Mike, I'm just feeling tired. Anna, thank you for being honest. Mike, no problem. Common errors. Wrong, I enjoy be here. Correct, I enjoy being here. Wrong, he is being tall. Correct, he is tall. Wrong, being I was tired, I slept. Correct, being tired, I slept. Wrong, thank you for be kind. Correct, thank you for being kind. Quick review. We use being for temporary behavior after prepositions at the beginning of sentences, to give reasons in passive continuous forms after verbs like enjoy, like, and love, as the subject of a sentence. As a noun meaning a living creature in formal English in many everyday expressions. Practice quiz. Choose the correct answer. 1. Thank you for patient. A. B. Being answer. B2. The house is built. A. Being B. Answer. A 3. Stop rude. A. Being B. Answer. A 4. Tired. She went home. A. Being B. Answer. A 5. I enjoy with my friends. A. Being B. Answer. A final challenge. Complete these sentences. 1. I like with my family. 2. Thank you for honest. 3. Stop lazy. 4. The road is repaired. 5. Careful helps you avoid mistakes. Pause so viewers can answer. Answers. 1. Being 2. Being 3. Being 4. Being 5. Being conclusion. Excellent work. Today you've learned how to use being in everyday conversations, grammar structures, passive voice, formal writing, and common expressions. The more you notice being in books, movies, and conversations, the more natural your English will become. Practice making your own sentences every day, and you'll build both grammar accuracy and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, share it with another English learner, and subscribe to Learn English with Tips for more easy-to-understand English lessons. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.